We'd be about
Mount Springcliffe, it's called.
5-7 k's.
Yep.
Which direction? That'd be north of your place?
North of my place.
Out here for a bit of fossicking and have a look at some geological features Rick's going to show me. And
got Ash and Spanner.
Yep.
Just tag along.
Lisa. And
Lawson
Logan. And yours truly, how you going, mate? Yeah, we've walked about 500 metres. We've come to a gully where the weathering's exposed some of the rocks. And there's bits of fossil wood, petrified wood here and there, scattering on the ground. Almost coal. Black. We'd be 10 or 12 kilometres northwest of Seaforth, coastal town near Mackay in Queensland, Australia. The wet mud and the water is handy for identifying the rocks. Brings out the colours in them, you can see what you're looking at. What we got here, Rick?
I'm not too sure, Kev. It's got a little bit of quartz and a few marks in it. Worth looking at.
Yeah, very dark. That's nice.
Yeah, this one's got a few lines.
High silicate along there.
Oops. Look at that.
Yeah, we split some pieces down here. We're not certain what we're looking at. Whether it's fossilised wood or shale. We've got, if I can get it in the sun, what looks like leaf impressions here. Running that way. Walking up now, rising, the ground's rising towards the hill. What's going on here, Rick? What are we looking out for?
This is what you don't want to touch. This is a moonlighter plant, and some behind you there, Kev.
Yeah.
There's some big moonlighter.
Yeah, do not
don't want to touch that.
No exposed skin, or not even thin material against it.
You'll know within seconds after you hit it.
The hairs on there are like little, how do I describe it?
Like fiberglass.
Yeah, like fibre, they're glass tubes, aren't they?
Yep.
Yeah, and you'll literally be yelling out in pain. It would put an end to this expedition, and we'd have to go back down.
Definitely.
Pretty thick going there. And I've just been warned to get the camera out
Very strange rock.
after we clear this fern patch of what looks like volcanic rock and some sandstone. Some of it broken into structured columns. There's a taste of it up there. The big square area. Example of all this, the breaks in the rock, all structured into long square pieces. And here we break out into a big area of it.
Ruins.
How is everyone?
Oh, beautiful, Kev.
Bit of a climb.
I'm a solid 4, Kev. A solid 4.
And while the camera's on, I'll show you this.
I'll give you an update at the top.
Here's a perfect example of this rock broken into these structured pieces. All similar.
That's where the greenhouse came from then. I had greenhouse all this from that.
Yeah,
I'm not going to dare say what it is, but I'm sure someone will comment
That big piece over there.
with what it is. On a bit there.
up here, Dad. It's
Yeah.
just hexagonal honeycomb like structure.
Yeah?
It gets even better up there, does it, Logan?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we had the hammer out and cracked a piece of it, just to show
Shade up there.
the inside of it, the formation of it. Yeah, very interesting. I was going to say basalt until I saw the colour of the sandy colour of the rock inside and the browns. Very interesting, Rick.
Excellent, mate.
Yeah, Rick's just stumbled onto a huge piece of the way this rock is breaking up.
5 foot long.
Yeah. And while I've got the video on, I was just saying to Rick, we don't know. They've all got this lines,
Scraping marks.
yeah, lines across the. Run your finger along there, Rick, and point it out.
Yeah, all through there.
Yeah,
There's one there too,
it's on
Kev.
most of them, eh? The lines
Oh, look at that view out there.
I know.
on the exterior, but no sign of the lines when you break the rock open.
It takes a few up here.
Look at the fungi on that tree over there.
Yeah, that's looking cool. What about? On that log there, see
Over
it
there
right
on
there?
that log.
A shady spot for a rest.
Oh, yeah. After about can't beat this.
Hard to see through
This
the
is a
trees,
perfect
but a good
little
view
setup
from up
here,
here as well.
Cradles me bum.
A little bit higher and we'll have a magnificent view. Guide Logan tells us that the formation all this broken rock's coming from is just up here, and I've just got a glimpse of it. We'll see what. Yeah, now we're close to the source of the rockfall. A lot more colours in the rock. I can only guess that they haven't been leached, weathered out as they get further down the hill. And the source of it all is majestically rising in front of us.
Wow,
And you
pretty.
can see the same shapes in the cracks in the rock as we're seeing as we're climbing. There's a good example of that horizontal cave.
That's pretty.
Ash.
Yeah. Lisa's found
pride and
something
joy.
here where the rocks spin around a bit and get the other angle. Yeah. And over here, behind Lisa, is a really good example. On a recent trip here, this huge chunk here, maybe a couple tons, a few tons, was sitting in this recess, and that's only a matter of what, weeks maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's an example of the rock fracturing into these same sort of shaped pieces.
The base down there, that's all dirt first.
And there's a lot of the fresh broken pieces.
Okay.
Spot fire too.
Yeah.
Not something that's just lit up the whole mountain. Something.
And this rises right up,
Bones, they're too big.
maybe 100 metres up maybe,
Yeah.
to that point up there.
See that there, love? Where it's been built.
Oh, and don't forget the lovely views we got up here. If the camera focuses. Got farmland out there,
Victor Creek.
yep,
It's in a little pocket.
reaching across to the next lot of hills that rise up.
Towards Mount Ossa, that'll be Kev out.
Yeah.
That way.
And if I'm right in the distance there, the blue mountains are the part of the
Is that the creek?
Great Divide. But,
These lines too.
Is that the
Yeah.
creek?
yeah, Logan just pointed out.
That'd be,
Very interesting.
Yeah, we've been,
what's that?
me and Ash have been talking about the lines all the way up the hill, wondering what it is.
It almost looks like wood, doesn't
Yeah,
it? But
we were wrongly guessing movement in the rock, but I don't know now.
That'd be Kathu State Forest in there, Kevo,
Yeah.
I'd say.
What do we call this part of the Great Divide here?
Cat.
Yeah, repeat all that for the video, Rick. He's highlighting the sound of it.
Yeah, just a real brittly sound.
Almost like ceramic.
Yeah.
This
Very
piece has
interesting.
come off that piece.
Yeah, you might have a point there, Ashley, when you said ceramic. Could be to do with heat.
I just can't believe how it's layered.
Main party stayed down there, and Logan's taken me up into the higher up into the formation. Very dramatic. Very, very dramatic. Huge tumbled pieces stuck in the crevice. Still taking that same shape, but in not broken down into smaller pieces. And then all this weathering on the side. It's amazing. Very unstable, this formation. We just had an incident where a huge bit of rock, probably 100 kilos, rolled right down the funnel, and Rick had to jump over it and the others had to clear out the way. And now we're moving on.
Wow, look at this rock up
Yeah, if this climbing was just a matter of climbing, it'd be half the job, but
Is that rabbit hole out there?
you're also worried about your mates behind you,
Springcliffe.
Wow.
knocking rocks down onto them. And the view, fantastic.
Wow.
What's your guesstimate of the height here, Rick? Just a wild guess.
Oh shit, Kev.
Fair way down.
500 feet, eh?
Yeah.
Feels like it. No, probably a few hundred.
Yeah, probably a few hundred metres. We got to get moving, but I've just started the camera because here's in the distance, there's an unusual view of it's very wobbly.
Mount Blackwood in the background.
Yeah, and Mount Dukes. No, it's shaking too much. All right, we'll look. Yeah, this is the view from the other side of this Razorback Ridge, for want of better words. In the distance there, just to the left of where Rick's standing, is what's left of the Cape Hillsborough volcano site.
Rampton Island out there, the big steep one.
Yep, in the centre of the screen now, Rampton. And the other offshore island groups.
Goldsmith Islands.
Goldsmith Group, I've just been informed.
Smith Group.
Yes, very nice.
So I'm going to go to work tomorrow.
And the rest of the gang taking a break on top of the ridge. Here we are, back down from the top of the ridge.
Have we got enough in the fridge to
Everyone's-
make something?
Had a bit of a walk, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kev,
Yes.
for coming, mate.
Thank you, Logan.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ash, thanks for
you.
the company.
No problem. Pleasure.
Signing out.
Great day.
Yeah, we're back at Rick's house. And we were just talking about the same rock that we were up looking at. He's a specimen that was brought down. Yeah, just turn her over, Rick. Just see that. Yeah, we don't know what it is. That educated, but it looks like sandstone. It's coarse. But then inside, where it's sheared off. I don't know if the video picks up all them lines. Yeah, it should do. Yeah, interesting, Rick.
Nice piece.
Yeah.